So, ayan guys, kakain tayo ng balot. Balot, mukhang balot. Ay, bilat mo. Nagulat si bilat mo. Saan ba to? Saan ba to yung ano na to? Uy, mali. Mali yung bukas ni Hana Max. Yan. Gusto mo balot? Mainit pa, mamaya na lang. Okay? Mamaya na lang. Hingi si Max. Oh, hingi si Max. Hingi si Max. Balot. Balot. Ayan yung ating suka.
Sa archives based on our rules 15 days after. So meron ba o wala?
Mali.
Kung meron, bakit hindi na-file sa archives? Kung wala, I will let you proceed, Madam Chair. I will not hold this budget hostage. Gusto ko lang malaman, meron o wala?
HCAP itself, the output of the small committee is already embedded into the HCAP itself. So that's the report. That's the output of the small committee.
That's the report, Madam Chair. Based on our rules, each committee must come out with a report. No committee is exempted from coming out with a
Nyok, pahinga ng puti na lagayan, Nyok.
Puti?
Oh, yung puti na lagayan.
Ito?
Ay, pang. May nagbukas ng pinto.
Wala? Kasi yung parts yung tayo ng cellphone mo, oh. Pabagsak na yung...
Sabag.